SPY money. A lot of people ask me about wanting to trade the S&P 500 ES, and the options bot does a pretty good job on it. Usually at nighttime, a 4 SPY money bar works pretty good. During the daytime, a 10, but I'm going to give you a little peek here. This is the 4 SPY money bar, up $224.92 after commission. And this one is the 10, it's up 91.63. So I had a losing trade and one good trade. So the 10 usually works better when you have a lot more volume. And last night we really didn't have any volume to speak of. And the on NQ, we're only up 119.92, and it had one good trade right there. And let's look back last night. You had one, two, three bad trades right in a row, and then you had a good one and a good one that put us up to, roughly $120. So, as far as the option bot, it does a pretty good job. As with anything, you have to have some volume in order to be able to trade. Um, we run it on ZB2, which is our we call it bonds, and it took one trade. It's up 184.48. So there's different instruments you can run it on. We have settings for just about everything, and even like a YM. YM again, only up 120.92, not up very much, but it is green. So that's the main thing. You got to be green. If you're green, you're happy. Just got to be, at the end of the day, you want to have money. That's the big thing. So the option bot does a pretty good job across the board. You can run it on many different instruments. I mean, if we look back, you had two losing trades right off the bat with the ES. But if you were controlling this bot like you're supposed to, this one right here would not have lost money. This one you would have lost money. This one you would not have. This one worked out good. You add in levels, which if you add in levels to this, then you can trade those levels and it actually helps you out. But this is just showing the option bot by itself untouched and let you get an idea of how it works. As far as leasing the Ninja Suite, you go up here to the go to spymoneylse.com, go to the Ninja Suite, and follow this little video right here. It tells you how to copy all of this and put it into the contact. You got to copy this, read it, make sure you understand it. The biggest thing that I want people to understand is bots are not set it and leave it. You can't turn this on, go to work, come back and be a millionaire. It doesn't work that way. Anybody that tells you that it works that way, run, because bots are just not that way. So that is one of the biggest misconceptions about running a bot. Bots are to help you with the entry and the strategy, and then it's best that if you go ahead and take over a little bit and based on our training where we use the levels and so forth, and it'll help you make more money using the bots. We have a lot of different bots. The option bot is the number one bot that everybody's using. We have a lot of different indicators, more that aren't even listed here. A lot of different add-ons, a copier, toolbar. We also have a chart trader that is second to none. And then here is a list of questions. Read through these questions before you send me an email, because most of your questions will be answered here. And once you get that, send this that you have read this, copy this, send it in a contact so that we both know that we understand what you're getting into. We do recommend 4 funded accounts. Here's the 4 that people use. I would say that out of, I say most people probably use Apex than they do any of them. The BluSky does give you a real live trading account, which is very helpful. Their advantage is for you to make money. If you make money, they get 10%. And so this one is the real deal, in my opinion. All of them do a really good job. We have a lot of people that's getting payouts on Apex and, do 5, 10, 15, 20 accounts, and they're getting payouts. It's the numbers game. If you can get up, if you got 20 accounts and you make, $200 a day, which is real easy. But if you make $200, that's $4,000 a day if you do all 20 accounts. So there's different ways you can do it. There's discounts down here. The discounts change, but you will get the best deal if you use these. And VPS, go over the VPS. If you don't have a computer up to par, click on this, choose the medium, you'll be happy. It's a good service. Going back to the Ninja Suite, a lot of different things in here, and I will show you this on my account. Once you pay for the lease, you'll get access to all of this right here. And when you get access to this, you'll be able to do your machine ID online. You'll be able to download the files, get everything done. All your training is here, your Discord link, everything is here. And you get emails explaining how to do different things. So it's actually pretty good. Once you do this, you want to jump into the option bot. The option bot will show you what you really need to know and get you in the right strategy. If you go to trading strategies, click on this one, and let me show you this real quick. You come down, there's the option strategy. This is the one that most people are doing, this one right here, the May 1st. This is the main strategy that everybody uses. It works really well. People are making money with it, and that's what counts. So right now we have a live bot running right now, and we'll see how it ends for the day, and check back with you later. I'm going to take off today. I've got some running to do, and I'll be back at the end of the day. You guys have a great day. I'd love to see you join. A lot of people ask how quick. Let me say this. Some people say, how quick does it take to learn this? So I'm going to show you something here. Let me find it real quick. Bear with me here 1 second. This one right here. This guy posted these, and I asked him, tell everyone when you signed up. He said yesterday. Loving me some spy money. Good lesson last night. That's the one that I was talking about with the 10 spy money bar. So he's making money. This was yesterday. He got that $3,300, and he is doing well. First day. Does that happen often? Yes, it does happen often. So if you're wondering how long it takes, there's your answer. Have a great day.